So your AI output is garbage, but it's not AI's fault. It's yours. And let me show you why. So I'm Ramesh and I'm building out a platform to help lawyers, small law firms integrate AI into their legal workflows. And through conversations with dozens of lawyers and legal professionals, here's something that I think every lawyer needs to understand. So first off, most lawyers think that AI can't help them with their legal work. They'll try ChatGPT once, they'll get bad results, and they'll conclude that AI doesn't work in the legal profession. But here's why they're wrong. The problem isn't about AI in and of itself. The problem is that they don't know how to use the technology effectively. It's a little bit like saying that a digital thermometer is broken, but what's happening is that they've forgotten to change the measurement from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So if asked to use AI to generate a demand letter, most lawyers will type in create a demand letter and hit enter. And the tool might give a decent letter without context, without any details. But without the context, there's a high likelihood that what's going to be output is not going to be what the lawyer wants. And that's when the lawyer is going to spend more time editing and iterating to make it work. And oftentimes the lawyer is simply going to give up and say that, look, it's AI and AI doesn't work. But the key here is that AI is simply a predictive tool. It functions better when you give it more context. And so one way to do this is by using what I call the STAR prompting method. It's simply situation, task, action, result. And so situation, I'm representing a client in a personal injury case. It's a rear-end collision. There's liability. There's a lot of medical bills. And the task is I will need a demand letter to send to the insurance adjuster. Action, create a demand letter, include on background, accident facts, liability analysis. And then a result might be, I want an intro paragraph, I want a grade 9 leading level, I want to detail the key pieces of the accident, and I want to make sure that there's a demand that they contact my office by a certain date. By giving AI clear expectations of what success looks like, you're more likely to get output that you're going to be satisfied with. And you're only going to need to spend 5 minutes tailoring the output rather than 20, 30 minutes later. So again, this is just a demonstration that the problem isn't about AI can't help lawyers. The problem is that most lawyers don't know how to use the tool effectively. But knowing how to prompt is only half the battle. In my next video, I'm going to share with you the other half that is needed to get results and why most lawyers are ignorant about this completely. Till then, let me know what and how you've tried AI for legal work and whether you've been disappointed or not. I'd love to try to address that in a future video. Cheers.